Ana anne.
Salam alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. Salam alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. Karam karam.
Holy. So cute, big old pie. Good boy, Mama. He was gonna pee right on us.
Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hi, baby. Oh!
Cam, stop.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Look at the camera and apologize for the you fucking hurt me.
You got it,
Found a stick on the ground and now I'm gonna use it, all this power that I found. Hey! Oh! You scared me! Jesus! Oh! How did you get it?
What I mean when I say it's terrifying when my dog opens a door.
Oh my god, that is horrifying. Holy frick.
Ow, 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 ow. Ow.
That's mad. That's happy? That's mad.
Look, here comes a consequence, consequences of my actions chasing me right now. I don't want no consequence. I don't want no consequences chasing me right now. Someone take this consequence. Someone take this consequence and chasing me right now. Jesus is the consequence. Jesus is the consequence chasing me right now. Ah!